Not every dream is meant to stay with you. Some dreams are whispers from the universe, while others fade like mist at sunrise. If you're here, you've probably felt that pull, a powerful dream that lingers, a glimpse into another world that refuses to be forgotten. But why does this happen? Why do certain dreams leave such a deep imprint on your soul, while others vanish as soon as you wake? Today, we're looking deep into the spiritual essence behind dream memory. We'll explore the hidden forces, universal energies, Akashic records, reincarnation clues, and the mind's manifestation power that decide which dreams you hold onto and which you let slip away. This is more than just a psychological explanation. It's about the energetic resonance of your soul's journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a profound understanding of why certain dreams cling to your consciousness and how they fit into your spiritual path. 1. Dreaming as a spiritual channel. Dreams are not random. For those who believe in the profound interconnectedness of the universe, dreams are a spiritual channel. The mind, unshackled by the physical world, communicates with higher planes, tapping into cosmic energies, your soul's history, and messages from the universe. Your mind processes every experience you've ever had, whether in this life or a past one. But what sticks is what resonates with your soul's current frequency. When you dream, your consciousness may dip into the Akashic records, the universal library of all souls' experiences, offering you flashes of your past lives or future possibilities. This is why certain dreams stand out. They align with your soul's purpose or karmic lessons in this lifetime. 2. Unlocking your soul's memory. There's an old spiritual saying that you only remember what you're meant to. Think about it. How often have you had a vivid dream that felt more like a memory than a fantasy? It's as if you were being shown a scene from another time or dimension. This is because your soul has lived through countless experiences, and some of those memories are triggered by present-day dreams. The dreams you remember are often those that unlock fragments of your soul's memory, memories not of this life but of others you've lived. Take the case of Dr. Brian Weiss, a psychiatrist who stumbled upon past life regression during hypnotherapy sessions in the 1980s. His clients, while in deep trance, would recount detailed memories from lives centuries before. Dreams like these regressions sometimes bring fragments of your past life to the surface. The dreams you remember could be glimpses of your previous incarnations, especially those dreams that feel eerily familiar or hauntingly real. A study published in Consciousness and Cognition in 2016 found that people who frequently engage in lucid dreaming, the ability to control their dreams, often report memories or scenarios that feel like they come from another time. This could be your subconscious tapping into the Akashic records, replaying scenes from your spiritual past. 3. Tapping into the universe's plan. Have you ever had a dream so vivid, so symbolic, that it felt like a message from the universe itself? These dreams, the ones you can't shake, are often the universe guiding you. Synchronicity plays a big part here. In 1952, Carl Jung introduced the idea of synchronicity, the concept that events are meaningfully related, even if they seem coincidental. In the realm of dreams, synchronicity occurs when the universe aligns certain messages with your spiritual journey. You may dream about a particular place, symbol, or person right before something significant happens in your waking life. The universe is giving you a nudge, and that's why you remember these dreams. They're not just dreams, they're signposts on your path. In 1995, an artist from New York kept dreaming about the same waterfall night after night. It was a vivid, almost sacred place in her dreams. Months later, while traveling in Peru, she stumbled upon that exact waterfall. She felt an overwhelming sense of déjà vu, as if her dream had prepared her for this moment. Spiritual people would call this a manifestation, her dreams aligning with the universe's plan for her life. 4. The manifestation power of dreams. Your mind is a creator. You know this already. Thoughts shape reality, and the power of manifestation is deeply rooted in your consciousness. Dreams are no different. What you dream, you can manifest. But here's the catch. Not every dream is meant to be remembered. Only the dreams that align with your manifestation energy will remain with you when you wake. Dreams that you remember are often those that reflect your subconscious desires. When your conscious mind is asleep, your subconscious mind is free to focus on what you truly want, whether it's love, success, or spiritual growth. The more emotionally charged a dream is, the more likely it is to stick with you. This is because your subconscious mind knows that this particular dream holds the key to something you're trying to manifest in your waking life. A 2012 study from the University of Adelaide found that individuals who practiced intention setting before sleep, stating what they wanted to dream about, were more likely to remember their dreams. This practice is closely related to the law of attraction. By focusing your thoughts before bed, you're programming your mind to hold on to the dreams that are most important for your manifestation process. 5. Nature's influence on dream recall. The natural world plays a powerful role in your dreams. Spiritual individuals understand that nature and the universe are in constant communication with us, especially when we are in a vulnerable state, like sleep. There's a reason why some dreams feel more tangible than others. Lunar phases, planetary alignments, and even seasonal changes can affect what dreams you remember. For example, during a full moon, many people report having more intense and vivid dreams. This is because the moon's energy, often linked to emotions and subconscious thoughts, amplifies the mind's ability to tap into deeper, more meaningful dreams. Astrologers have long believed that planetary transits can influence not only the type of dreams you have, but also your ability to recall them. In 2017, during the Great American Solar Eclipse, thousands of people across the United States reported having unusually vivid dreams the night of the event. Many described their dreams as spiritual awakenings or messages from the universe. It's as though the celestial event unlocked a collective consciousness, allowing these dreamers to connect with something greater. 6. Dreams as messages from past lives. For many spiritual people, dreams are a doorway to the past, not just this life, but past lives as well. Some dreams leave an unshakable feeling that you've been there before, in a time and place that's not part of your current life. These are not mere fantasies, but glimpses into your past incarnations. There are countless stories of individuals who've dreamed of places they've never been, only to discover later that these places exist in the real world. The theory of reincarnation suggests that your soul carries memories from its previous lives, and sometimes these memories surface in your dreams. The dreams that feel the most significant, the ones you remember long after waking, could be the universe's way of showing you something important about your spiritual lineage. Ian Stevenson, a psychiatrist who studied reincarnation, documented over 3,000 cases of children recalling their past lives through dreams. These memories, often strikingly accurate, suggest that dreams are not just a byproduct of the mind, but a spiritual tool for accessing past experiences. 7. Dreams as downloads from higher realms. In the spiritual world, many believe that certain dreams are more than just random brain activity. They are downloads from higher realms of consciousness. These are dreams that feel different, almost otherworldly, where information flows to you in a way that feels like divine insight or cosmic wisdom. These dreams aren't just messages from your subconscious, they're transmissions from higher beings, your spirit guides, or even the universe itself. You might notice that these dreams come to you during periods of intense personal growth, or when you're facing a major decision in life. They are the universe's way of guiding you, of sending you the knowledge you need to evolve or make the right choice. This is why these dreams linger. They contain spiritual downloads meant to assist you in your journey, to help you align with your higher self or life purpose. Many spiritually inclined individuals, like Eckhart Tolle and Deepak Chopra, have shared experiences of receiving profound insights during their dreams. These dream downloads often come at moments of spiritual awakening and are remembered vividly because they carry a deeper universal truth. In 2009, Dr. Charles Laughlin, a neuroanthropologist, proposed the theory of transpersonal dreams, dreams that occur when the mind taps into non-local consciousness, a state where we are connected to higher planes of reality. These dreams, often called mystical or numinous dreams, leave a lasting imprint because they transcend the ordinary limits of human experience. So why do you forget some dreams? The simplest answer: you're not meant to remember all of them. The universe, your subconscious, and your soul are filtering out what's unnecessary. Only the dreams that serve your spiritual growth, manifestation process, or karmic lessons stay with you. Your mind remembers what resonates with your soul's frequency, what's important for your journey in this lifetime. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.